This is how you get your OVI case dismissed. I have a client that was approached by law enforcement at a speedway. The officer had some suspicion that my client had alcohol in his system. He asked my client to perform a standard field sobriety test, starting with the HGN, which my client passed. The officer then asked my client to perform a walk and turn test, and also the one-leg stand, which the officer later agreed that my client passed. The officer then asked my client to perform some dexterity test, asked him to recite the alphabet, which he did, and ultimately the officer incorrectly arrested him for an OVI, and then my client subsequently provided a breath sample. You know, in order to arrest somebody for an OVI, you have to have a reasonable and articulate suspicion that they're impaired, and part of that is that you have them do a standard field sobriety test, and if you're noting that the individual has passed the test, then there's no reason, there's no probable cause to arrest that person. Today in court, we provided arguments to the prosecutor that my client did successfully complete the standard field sobriety test. There was no probable cause to arrest him, and the prosecutor agreed and dismissed his case. So another success. That's how you get your OVI dismissed in court.